My work is inspired by the natural world, and I think it would be so stupid and ridiculous if I didn't support its conservation. Hi, I'm Clio Saskia, and I'm a designer and maker of ethical fine jewellery inspired by the natural world. Most of my work, I'd say, is playful, but it's also fine jewellery. I use recycled 18 karat gold for my collection work, and then I also use ethically sourced traceable sapphires and other gemstones. I've always loved the natural world, and I take inspiration from all sorts of weird and wonderful animals and plants from nature, and I try and translate all their unique characteristics into a wearable piece of sculpture. So with quite a lot of them, I'll start off doing a sketch, but if I'm feeling particularly enthusiastic or passionate about a piece, I'll just go straight into the wax and see what form comes out of it. These techniques have been around for about 6,000 years that we know of. So steel tools, hot wax pens or candles, and then it's really just carving that away, files as well. And then all of my castings are done with the lost wax process, and then for finishing it off now it's a more modern pendant drill or a Dremel tool. If I make a mistake, I'll just fling it across the workshop. No, I'll just do it again. It's always faster, it's always better a lot of the time as well. Some pieces I'll work on for a couple of weeks, and other pieces, you know, it can take years. So there's a lizard I've been working on at the moment that is, you know, a year and a half, nearly 2 years so far. I do think the jewellery industry for a long time was very closed and quite secretive about sourcing of materials and where gemstones have come from. A lot of the sapphires that I offer are actually ones that I mined myself when I was in Australia, in the gem fields in Queensland. And that is quite carefully regulated, so you're only allowed to go out with hand tools, pickaxes, that sort of thing, and sift through the dirt that you might find. If you leave, you have to return everything exactly as you found it. So you have to backfill all the holes and leave it exactly as it was before you arrived. So I spent 6 months there, and having seen it firsthand, it's not that difficult to be very ethical about how you mine. So that I am incredibly passionate about, and I try and help my customers to understand that process, and also so they understand the value of the materials that I'm providing. Sustainable is a really difficult word. By definition, sustainability is replacing what you take. And I would never describe myself as a sustainable jeweller, because I can't put back those stones and I can't put back that gold. But I can have a very clear idea of the impact that I have and the impact that I reduce.